Okay, so here we go. One more strategy for the week. So remember our learning target. I can multiply a fraction by a whole number. Okay, so today with strategy 3, we're going to think about repeated addition and multiplication. So remember back when you first started learning how to multiply, we know that 5 times 3, we could do 5 plus 5 plus 5, or we could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, fractions are the same way. When we're multiplying a fraction, we can take the fraction and multiply it by a whole number. So 2/3 times 6, we would take 2/3 and add it 6 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here we go. We're going to learn how this works with a real problem. So today we're going to try and do 10 times 3/5. So I'm going to show you the long way, and then I'm going to show you a couple of short ways. So here we go. So 10 times 3/5 means that we would do 3/5 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, that is such a long way to do it. Okay, the problem with this way is, in addition to having to write so many numbers, potential problems, we could lose track, we could get sloppy. So here's what we're going to do. Every whole number, so the number 10 has this little invisible 1 underneath it. So it actually does have a denominator. And so what we can do is we can actually do 10 times 3/5, and we can stretch the fraction bar out to put the 10 on the top. Okay, so you can go ahead and go 10 times 3 equals 30. 5 times nothing, or 5 times that invisible 1, equals 5. You're left with an improper fraction. And so then you would go ahead and you would count by 5s, or do your number bond to figure out how many wholes this would be. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, this would be the same as 6, and that would be your answer. Now, for those of you who have done this before, you also know there's another strategy. There's our invisible 1. There's our 5 for our 3/5. You know that if you think about the numerator and the denominator, and you can count by any of the numbers, you can actually cancel out stuff. So when I count by 5s, it takes 1 5 to make a 5, and it takes 2 5s to make a 10, so 5, 10. So we can actually reduce this fraction right here. We do 2 times 3 would be 6. 1 times 1 would give us a denominator of 1, which we can go ahead and leave out. And we get the same answer. So today you're going back to Zearn, Khan Academy, or Splash Math. Do a little more practice, and then tomorrow you'll get to prove what you have learned this week and that you can meet our learning target. Have a great day.